Hi everyone, I welcome you all to MELI's English learning videos. Today, I am going to teach you the difference between skimming and scanning. Let's begin. Let's say you are taking a test. One of the questions on the test is asking you to read a 500-word essay and answer the questions that follow. The time limit you are given is only 20 minutes. Now obviously, you might not want to read the text word by word. Instead, you need to either skim or scan the text, looking at the question type. So what is the difference between skimming and scanning? Both of them are techniques used for fast reading. Skimming is done when the reader wants to get an overview of the text. We skim to get the main idea of long texts to save some time. To skim effectively, read the first paragraph of the text, the first and the last two lines of every paragraph, and the last paragraph, because the writer tries to include the most important information in the mentioned parts of a text. Scanning, on the other hand, is done when the reader would like to find specific data in the text. Now, to scan in an effective way, you should know what you're looking for. For example, it might be a number, a date, a percent, or even an opinion. While scanning, you simply need to move your eyes quickly through the text and find what you're searching. This concludes our lesson for today. Don't forget that you don't need to read every text word by word. You simply need to either skim or scan the text. Thanks for watching.